Hey friends, here is a review of the Fanttik Nex E1 Max powered screwdriver and bit set. Just on the outside here, this thing has a 3.7 volt, 350 milliamp battery. It's chargeable by USB-C. You can charge it in here. You get it to come out by pressing on the outside here. The screwdriver itself pops out. You can see it's got a high torque and low torque mode, and then you can have a locked mode where it doesn't. You can just use it manually. This lights up when you use it. I'll throw some bits in here in a second. It comes with some longer bits here. You got Phillips all on this side. It's got a set of tweezers, which the tweezers are really wedged in there, so I almost don't want to bother. Let's see if I can get it out with this. That's probably my only complaint with this guy, is trying to get these guys out of here. So it's got a set of just straight tweezers, and then little prying tool. And those just lay in there like that. All right, we're going to do that later. And then got plenty of tech sizes here. You have the tri-lobe. You have a few square, some triangle bits. Got your spanner bits. Okay. You looked at that side already. You got some pentalobes, flathead, hex. You have a large variety of Torx bits here on the other side. And you also have, with these, you have security bits for many of them as well. So, great selection of bits. Let's throw one in there. This is magnetized retention. Forward, back is a little slower. You don't notice any speed change immediately. It just will cut off a little quicker in the low mode versus the high mode. So, but it does light up your workpiece a little bit. So it gives you a little illumination as you're using it. It's got 4 little LEDs around there. Like I said, it's USB-C rechargeable. It's got an indicator light to tell you how your charge is going. My son uses this for his Nerf gun mods, and he loves this thing. So it is a great little kit. So again, you just drop this in here. It clicks. Then you drop that in there. Pop it out. And it's got, if it's not coming out too far, it's got these little areas to grab. Gives you a little extra real estate to grab onto. So all in all, this Fanttik is a great little powered screwdriver set for technical assembly, disassembly, working on phones, things like that. This is a great option. So I highly recommend this thing.